So hello everyone, this is Kartik and welcome back to CodeLearn. Guys, in the previous video of CSS end-to-end course tutorial, we have just discussed about pseudo classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about opacity in CSS. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, before starting the video, make sure that you have liked this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to download our latest app CodeLearn Foundation, where you can learn so many languages, so many new stuff that will help in your future career. Or if you have some doubts, so you can ask and get instant answer. So anyways, let's start the video. So guys, here you can see the opacity in CSS is the property of an element that describes the transparency of the element. It is the opposite transparency and represents the degree of which to which the content will be hidden behind the element. So here you can see transparent image. So guys, let's first of all discuss about transparent image. So the opacity property is used in the image describe the transparency of the image. The value of opacity lies between 0.0 to 1.0, where a lower value represents high transparency and high value represents low transparency. The percentage of opacity calculated as opacity modulus function is equal to opacity into 100. So guys, here you can see a program. So let's copy this out and open a Visual Studio Code and create a file, and let's say opacity spelling mistake, wait a second guys, let's copy it from here and let's delete this. Yes, delete. And opacity, not like this, opacity.html. And it is here we have to just paste the program like this. Here you can see, and let me zoom in for you guys. Here you can see guys, basically we have a boilerplate, and then we have a heading tag and style tag. And first let's discuss about the body tag. So in body tag, you can see a div with the class opacity, image, and image tag, and then br tag, which is used to give spacing between two elements, and p tag and image tag again. And here you can see dot second image. So this is the dot second image. Here you can see opacity 0.5 and p and opacity, which is this container text line center. So let's copy this out and in the browser let's paste. And here you can see guys, this is a normal image and this is our image with 50% of opacity. So guys, now let's discuss about image hover opacity. So this opacity is mainly used when we hover on this image, it will turn into 50 with the 50% opacity. So let's discuss about image hover opacity. The hover opacity property is applied to the image when the mouse put it over the image, otherwise opacity property changes. The value of opacity can easily reverse the process by setting the opacity as higher value at first and then lowering it when hovering it. So here you can see guys, image opacity 1 and image hover opacity is 0.5. So let's try out this. So let's say second image, and here let's say 1.0 and then dot second image, and here let's add hover, and then let's add not this opacity, let's say 0.5. Control S to save, and in the browser let's refresh the page. So here you can see guys, this is our second image, and when we hover on it, you can see its opacity is decreased. So guys, now let's see transparency box. So transparency box and transparency using Rgba values. So in transparency box, child property inherits the property from the parent property, but in case of transparency using Rgba, only opacity property is used to applied to add transparency to the background of an element. So here you can see the code. So you can add and now let's discuss about text in transparent box. So the opacity property can be used to decrease or increase the opacity of a box and put text inside it for making for making it like good. So guys, I hope you understand the CSS opacity, and in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more about CSS. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.